Restoration 352-282-2886. We're going to be stripping this driveway, entryway, and the area up there. Doing little repairs on the edge of that concrete, making it look great again. Cleaning and just sealing, not stripping, all the curbing, all the way around the house and in the back where it's the worst. The best thing to do is don't hire a company that doesn't know what they're doing, or a handyman, your lawn guy. A lot of these guys don't understand how to actually seal pavers, and this is the kind of mess you get. You can zoom in on all this. But we're going to make this look great again. So give us a call at 352-282-2886 or find us on the web at paverrestorationfl.com. Restoration 352-282-2886. Find us on the web at paverrestorationfl.com. We stripped new sand and sealed this driveway. Went ahead and cleaned the front of the house for her too. Added in a new concrete border. Of course, stripped and sealed up here. That's a reflection of the window. That's not sealer. I could see it's got awesome color now. Everything looks, look at that. It's got a shine. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. There's that window again, you see. There's the border we put in for. Looks pretty awesome. Just sign again. Look at that. Everything looks good. Just went through, cleaned and sealed the border. You can see it. Let's get a little zoomer in there. I'm not going to walk the whole border because it is pretty long. You can see the difference. Border. See the shine on that? That shine? Shine. Shine. That looks great, doesn't it? Look at that. Bam. Laid a third coat down, so the video I did before was only the second coat. That third coat will make it look even better. Give it that popping. Give us a call, 352-282-2886. Find us on the web at Paver Restoration.